you are struggling with slow hair growth, hair fall, dandruff, or tiny edges, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down ginger, onions and neem, 3 powerful natural ingredients people swear by for hair growth. But we are talking real benefits, real science, and how to use them safely for healthy hair. If that's what you want to know, please watch this video to the end.
Welcome to Grow Your Crown. Healthy hair starts right here. Yeah. Strong roots, strong crown, proof and grow so clear. Grow your crown with confidence, healthy natural excellence. Stronger, longer, feel that sound. Subscribe and grow your crown.
Hey loves, welcome back to Grow Your Crown, where healthy hair starts at the root. If you are new here, we focus on natural hair growth, scalp health, and realistic routine that actually work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Your crown will thank you. Before we even talk about growth, let's be honest guys. Hair does not grow on an unhealthy scalp. You can oil all you want, but if your scalp is inflamed, dirty or clogged, growth will be slow or non-existent. That's why ginger, onion and neem work so well together. One cleans, one stimulates, and one strengthens. Let's start with ginger, the growth stimulator. Ginger works by increasing blood circulation to the scalp. More blood flows means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your hair follicles. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. It helps wake up dormant hair follicles. It strengthens hair strands and reduces breakage. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory benefit, which is good for sensitive scalp. Ginger is a strong ingredient. If used too much, it can irritate the scalp. So balance is the key. The next ingredient is onions, the growth booster and the root strengthener. Onion is rich in sulfur, which is essential for collagen production, and collagen is what strengthens your hair strands. Onions reduce hair shedding, strengthens hair roots. It supports faster regrowth in weak or tiny areas. Onions improve scalp nourishment. This is why onions is one of the most popular natural remedies for hair regrowth worldwide. And onions is also one of the best natural regrowth ingredients when used consistently. Our next ingredient is neem, the scalp healer. Neem is one of the best ingredients for scalp problems. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory. Neem clears dandruff and flakes. It reduces itches and scalp infections. It helps stop hair fall caused by scalp issues. It creates a clean environment for hair to grow. It strengthens roots by improving scalp circulation. If your scalp is itchy, flaky, or consistently irritated, think of neem to calm and reset the scalp so growth can actually happen. Don't forget, neem is your reset button. and ticket to healthy scalp. How do we prepare this wonderful combo? You get your ginger root, wash it, don't peel it please. Wash it, then you dice it. Your onions, after peeling it, you rinse it and dice it. This my neem is a frozen neem. I put fresh neem inside my freezer. So I just brought it out, I rinsed it, then I put it inside my blender. I added my ginger and my onion to it. I added little water so that I'll be able to blend it. Before we continue with the procedure on how to prepare this hair growth spray, if you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, sweetheart? Go ahead, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube. Please, if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please kindly drop it in the comment section below. And don't also forget to share this video to whom you feel needs it. You can grate the onions and ginger with a grater. After grating the onions and the ginger, you go ahead and add the neem powder. But if you don't have neem powder, you pound your neem leaf, then add all the ingredients together. You leave it for like 10 minutes, then you strain it with your strainer because it is the juice in it that we need. We don't need the residue so that we will not have particles on our hair. This is me. After I finish blending my ingredients, I go ahead and turn it into a cheesecloth. Then I pressed out all the water, all the goodness in it. After pressing out all the goodness, you add it in your well sterilized applicator bottle. After pouring the spray inside your sterilized applicator bottle, you go ahead and add aloe vera gel to it. But if you don't have aloe vera gel, you can use aloe vera juice. Now let's talk about aloe vera gel, the balancer. Aloe vera gel smooth irritation, it reduces inflammation, it balances scalp pH, it hydrates without clogging pores, it helps strength absorb better. Aloe vera gel is the ingredient that ties everything together. Without aloe, the mask would be too harsh. Aloe keeps it safe, calming and effective. Now let's talk about the usage, because natural doesn't mean careless. Here is how to use this mask safely for best results. Apply to a good scalp. Focus on sections and don't rush. I'm doing mine like this because my head is very short. Massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Then cover your head with a shower cap. After 20 to 30 minutes, rinse truly. Follow with a light moisturizer or oil. Use once a week, not daily. Growth comes from consistency and not overuse. Always do a patch test. Do not use unbroken or inflamed scalp. If burning is intense, please rinse immediately. This mask is powerful, but healthy hair care is always about balance. I want you to know that hair growth is not magic. It's consistency, scalp health and patience. When used correctly, ginger, onions and neem can absolutely support healthier, stronger hair growth. If you want stronger roots, less shading and a healthier scalp, start here. Healthy hair is a journey. And at Grow Your Crown, we grow with patience and purpose. Like this video, subscribe and comment below if you want a pre-made version of this mask, a routine for hair loss or thinning, or more science-based natural hair education. Until next time, protect your scalp, feed your roots, and grow your crown. See you all in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget, Ace.